Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. I'm smiling already just because I'm doing a gift request that's of SteveSwags. So Steve, I'm sure your buddies call you Swags. I'll call you Steve, at least for now. You made a gift for me to do Tracy Lawrence's Texas Tornado. Can't imagine. I don't think I know this song. I guess we're gonna find out what this is, but we're gonna. It could be any number of things. It could be like a hard thing. It could be an actual tornado, or it could be a person whose nickname is the Texas Tornado. I don't know. Here we go. Oh, it's the video, music video. All right. If the video's blocked, I'll re-edit it with just audio. Oh, he went back in time?
You called me up from Amarillo, said you were coming to town. Thought I'd like to tell you hello. I'm driving no friend around. I pulled up to the airport, confident and cool. When you stepped off that plane, I knew I was your fool. My little Texas tornado, blowing me away again. I swore it wouldn't happen again, but I looked at you and then I'm like a tumbleweed in a Wild West Texas wind. You're blowing me away again.
You gotta love his voice. So smooth.
You're lying with me in Atlanta. It's such a beautiful life. You play me like a piano. I always let you get by.
Yep.
I know I'll go through hell, girl, when you find someone else. But right now I'm in heaven, and I can't help myself. My little Texas tornado, blowing me away again.
Yikes.
Swore it wouldn't happen again, but I looked at you and I'm like a tumbleweed in a Wild West Texas wind. You're blowing me away again.
You should blow him off.
I'm like a tumbleweed in a Wild West Texas wind. You're blowing me away.
I remember those.
Texas tornado, blowing me away again. I swore it wouldn't happen again, but I looked at you and then I'm like a tumbleweed in a Wild West Texas wind. You're blowing me away again.
Oh, yeah, they're missing pieces. Was this like a theme album? He's the one who left. But in the song, he said when she finds someone else. Well, he came, it looks like he came from the future in the beginning. Now he's going away. The house is no longer for sale. So she's not going anywhere. So maybe they did make it work. Maybe he is going to return, but he's like a tumbleweed in the West Texas wind, so he blows all over the place. So he's the one who amps Grace. She's the one who's staying. That's confusing. Yeah, that's what happens when you watch a video for the first time, and sometimes they do that purposely. Or you come in the middle of a story and you're like, well, how did it start? How did it finish? This is the middle. I don't get all the pieces yet. But that's part of the fun of figuring things out. I love trying to figure things out. Whether I get them or not, I prefer to get them. But there are some things, like Bobby Gentry or even sometimes John Prine. You're like, yeah, I didn't quite make all the connections that maybe were available to be made. All right, I'm going to rate this one, Steve. Yeah, I hope the video's not blocked, so if you guys get to see it. If not, I'll put the link to the video down below. But, oh gosh, the number that popped into my head, and I always go with that number. Even when I try talking myself out of it, I always come back to it as an 8.9. That was an experience, is what it was. The song itself leaves me hanging. I'm cool with that. I don't know where it says to be continued. If it was continued on another song, you folks, if it was, you folks will know and we'll fill in that, not backstory, the forward story in the comments. So you could thank SteveSwags for that one, folks. You could call him Steve. You could probably call him Swags. Either way, Steve, thank you for that, my friend. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video and keep rocking the country.